Welcome to Useful Apps. Today we've got a crazy new Chrome extension which has been added to the Chrome store called Abra Cadabra. It's an AI mouse control agent exactly like OpenAI's Atlas, just it works on Google Chrome. Who would have thought 2 days after OpenAI releases a browser control, there's one for Google Chrome. I know Google's been in trouble since Atlas has been released, but thankfully now even Google Chrome users can continue using Google Chrome if they want agentic workflows. Now it's much more amazing than that. The news is much better than that, because not only is this extension good for Google Chrome and it works perfectly, it's actually better than Atlas in many ways. The reason why is because it has functionality that Atlas could just never have. Because the way it was built, this extension, it's provided the user control to do things once and then let the agent do things over and over again. For example, when you click on the Abra Cadabra Chrome extension, I almost said Atlas over there. When you click on the Chrome extension, Abra Cadabra, it will basically ask you what you want your agent to do. And you could tell it anything you want, and it can go browse the internet, move the mouse, and do everything. I'm about to show you a live example. But the best part about Abra Cadabra is that you can actually create saved prompts, something that you can't do with Atlas. And the amazing thing about this is that once you have a saved prompt, for example, order my pizza and make sure not to leave out the anchovies and deliver it to my address, you'll never have to write that again. You just click on it and it populates this instruction area, and then you just click mouse control. It's as simple as that. See, with ChatGPT, you have to chat. With Atlas, you need to chat to get what you want. But with Abra Cadabra, you don't need to chat. You just need to store a new entry. You create a saved prompt, whatever you want, and it will do it for you on the internet. Now, I know you're excited to see the example, so am I, but just bear with me. Let me show you what else you can do. You can also chat with the agent mid-action. You can also ask about this page. What is this? And it will tell you, it will just read the page and explain to you what you're seeing. You can get summaries and all of the regular stuff that you'd expect from an AI agent, which is quite a regular functionality. That's less exciting. What we're more excited about here is the extra functionality that Atlas doesn't give you. So what it is here, you can create custom rules for specific websites. For example, on this website, I could have a rule that says, whenever you land on this website, log in with this user and this password. Or whenever you land on this website, go to this specific group and post in this specific comment, in this comment section, if you know what I mean. So this is where you do it. You click extra instructions, give it extra instructions. For example, always select express shipping or skip optional fields or extract price. Whatever you need it to do, it will do it for you. This is something Atlas doesn't have. Now, I'm not going to blab on too much. I know you just want to see the example of it happening. So I'm going to go straight to YouTube and click on Atlas and go to one of my saved ones, my saved prompts. This is going to add SEO descriptions to my videos that don't have descriptions. So to get started, I'm just going to click mouse control. And what you're about to see is magical. We can actually close the Chrome extension. And here is the Atlas mouse. Now see, the one on the right is my mouse, the human mouse, and the one on the left, as you can see, is the Atlas mouse. So it can move around, it can hover, and it can just do what it needs to do in order to edit a video and add more SEO descriptions to each of this video. So as you can see, it's moved into one of the videos that doesn't have a description, and it's going to go and click the edit button on the left hand side of the page, and then it's going to start creating a description. And of course it's gone to the wrong page and it's aware of that, so it's going to carry on doing its job until it finds a video that doesn't have a description, and then it's going to edit that. So it can actually go step by step, editing one video after the other, doing agentic style work. Now the amazing thing about this is that you can open multiple windows side by side, multiple Chrome Chrome browser windows side by side, and have the agent work on multiple YouTube channels simultaneously. Now don't get me wrong, this has to be done on multiple browsers, not multiple tabs. You can only have this extension working on one tab at a time, and you can actually click away from that tab while it's doing its job. So you can like go and browse the internet, look at all the different things Abra Cadabra can do, and while you're doing that, the agent is still working on this page, and it's adding a description. As you can see, it's actually telling you over here a summary of what it's doing, and then it's going to navigate back to the list of videos and continue doing this kind of agentic work. Let me show you one more example where I ask it to find the latest news and post it on Facebook, and just watch how amazing this is. So you can cancel at any time by clicking this cancel button. You can chat to the agent at any time by clicking the chat button up here. Chat with working agent, navigate, go to Facebook. So I've just told it to go to Facebook in the middle of a process, and this is amazing about this specific agent. It's able to listen to you mid-process, meaning while it's doing work, you can kind of tell it, listen, you're going off track. Just go back on track, and you kind of help it and push it along so it can get the complicated jobs done for you. So I've told it to go to Facebook, and it's received that message. Now it's going to navigate to Facebook because it has that ability. Now, another advantage of Abra Cadabra over Atlas is that it can download things from pages like images and things like that. It's actually able to do that in certain cases. Atlas is very limited. So let's see if it takes me to Facebook. After I've told it to go to Facebook, let's see if it navigates to Facebook. Okay, it seems to have ignored that. Let's try doing it manually. I'm going to click on Abra Cadabra, go to my saved prompts, post the latest AI news, and post a summary on my Facebook page. Now watch this freaking magic. This is exactly the same as Atlas that OpenAI just released. The only difference is that this works in Google Chrome, and it's tailored to make things more automated. So it gives you the ability to kind of set it up in advance so that it will know what you want without you having to chat away. I've always been saying this on this channel. This channel is useful apps. In this channel, you will see tons of apps that save you time, because I think it's a waste of time to chat to OpenAI, ChatGPT. I think it's a waste of time. I think you should be able to simply be able to educate your agent so that it can do what you want without you having to tell it each time what to do. Okay, so sometimes as it's in beta, you will have issues, but as time goes on and we keep updating it, you will keep seeing more and more and more upgrades, and it's just going to keep working better and better until it just works super fast and does your work for you. In the recent upgrades, we've added the ability for the AI to get the entire content of the page. That will save you tons of time as well. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one, and bye for now.